Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English Grammar Classroom Standard 7. We are learning lesson number 10, the adjective, in which we have solved exercise number 1 and 2. Now we shall solve exercise number 3. Form sentences with the help of the adjectives given below. Here are given some adjectives in your English grammar book on page number 49. Periwinkle's English Grammar Book 7, lesson number 10, the adjective. Exercise number 3, form sentences with the help of the adjectives given below, page number 49. The first adjective given here is high. You have to use this word high as adjective in your own sentence. I have made one sentence with the adjective high, that is, my friend lives in a high-story building. My friend lives in a high-story building. I have used this adjective in my own sentence. You may write another sentence you like. Second adjective is sweet. Sweet. Mangoes are sweet. Adjectives are also used after the helping verb am, is, are, was and were. So here the word sweet has been used for the noun mango. So here sweet is an adjective. Mangoes are sweet. This is the sentence for the adjective sweet. Next is dark. The child was afraid of entering a dark room. The child was afraid of entering a dark room. बच्चा अंधेरे कमरे में जाने से डर रहा था. Dark room. Here dark is used as adjective for the noun room. Which type of room? Dark room. Number 4. Neat. The teacher always admire neat children. The children who are neat and clean, who comes neat and clean in school, the children or the teacher always admire them. Clean. We must have a clean house and surroundings. Here, clean house and surrounding. Here, clean is an adjective, used as an adjective. What thing should be neat and clean? The house. House should be clean. Number 6. Humble. The humble saint gave us shelter when we were lost in the forest. जब हम जंगल में खो गए थे तो एक नर्मदिल सेंट ने, सेंट किसको बोलते हैं? पुजारी, किसी गॉड को फॉलो करने वाले सखी इंसान जो रहते हैं वो सेंट कहलाते हैं. तो एक वो नर्म दिल रहते हैं. हम्बल का क्या मीनिंग है? नर्म दिल. हम्बल सेंट गेव अस द शेल्टर व्हेन वी वेर लॉस्ट in the forest. Number 7. Miserable. The miserable beggar went without any alms on that day. Miserable, काबिले रहम. Miserable का क्या मीनिंग है? काबिले रहम. The miserable beggar went without any alms on that day. उस दिन उसे कुछ भी खाने को नहीं मिला, कोई भी चीज़ें उसे नहीं मिली उस beggar को. तो miserable. Resentful. The resentful children felt angry with the strict teacher. Resentful children. Here resentful is used as the adjective for children. Felt angry with the strict teacher. Naughty children. Bright children. Bright. The children went for a picnic since it was a bright day. Bright day, sunny day. So here bright is used as an adjective for the noun day. Number 10. Attentive. The teacher watched the attentive children engrossed in the project. The teacher was watching the attentive children. Attentive here is used as an adjective. Attentive, who pay attention. Who pay attention on their studies, on their work, on their project. The children who were engrossed in the project. Engrossed होना, किसी चीज़ में लीन हो जाना, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट से किसी वर्क को करना. तो the children who were attentive in making their project, the teacher watched them. So here attentive is used as an adjective for the noun children. This was exercise number 3. Note it down in your grammar book from 1 to 10. All the adjectives has been used in sentences. You may frame another sentences using the same adjectives. Copy this in your book and also write 10 other sentences using your own imagination. I shall stop here. We shall solve the next exercise in the next lecture. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.